Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find saved call recordings on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now just tap on Recents. Now from here, just tap on the call which you have recorded. Just like that. Now as you can see, this is the call which we have recorded. Now if you tap on History, you can find all the calls which we have done on this number. And also you can find all the call recordings from here. Just like that. And this is how you can find saved call recordings on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.